Hi, my name is Navin Bhandari. I am from Home Institution from Sydney, and I am going to talk about the issue in cash flow statement. In this report, it will undertake the three corporate organizations being listed under the ASX. The organization are BSP Limited, Santos Limited, and Fantastic Limited, respectively. The following report will undertake the financial data of the year 2019, 18, and 17 to develop the comparative understanding. The objective of this report is to identify the best company to gain the scope to borrow funds. The efficiency to gain investor support largely depend on the solvency and profitability concern of an organization. The development of cash flow statement and income statement in each financial year is not only a commercial necessity but also a legal responsibility for each of the organization. The investor and the lender largely undertake the numerical conclusion being realized in the respective statement to take the effective decision to investment or lending. The comparison of such statement among two financial year gain information on organizational growth and development. So there are two part A and part B in the report. Part A and part B, and part A is only for the component of cash flow statement and the income statement, and investor need to analysis the income statement. The income statement of an organization is one of the crucial financial report used to project the range of profitability of the company for the given financial period. The income statement is effective in reporting the commercial efficiently of an organization, can be useful to develop the comparative. So it's talk about the BSP Limited, Santos Limited, and Fantastic Limited. So they are the major cash source for all organizations are being collected from the sale of good, interest received, and collection of dividend. The cash source are being used to pay off the liability and operational expenses in each financial year. Like in BSP Limited, the collection from buyer, collection from dividend, cash from operating activity, cash is being used to payment of expenses and liabilities to the investing and financial activity. Whereas in Santos Limited, the overall cash amount has been realized by Santos in each financial year are being projected to meet the commercial accountabilities. Whereas in financial year, the cash source are being same and hence used to meet the liability and expenses to organization. And here are the sum of the profit and gain of BSP Limited. The major cash flow item after paying the tax for BSP Limited are cash from operating activities and investing and financial activities. The company has been realized wide fluctuation to the financial balance of cash at the end of each financial year. In financial year 2019, the cash balance is being $10,495 million, significantly major fluctuation compared to the financial year 2018 and 2017. And the main reason for the difference to the BSP Limited is to the net profit after the tax is BSP has realized expenses to the tax and is being deducted. BSP Limited has also deducted the expenses to borrow fund in each financial year and the major fluctuation is realized. And each of the undertaken financial year 2019, 18, and 2017, the BSP Limited and Santos Limited and Fantastic Limited has made major investment exceeding the available cash balance. Thus, the financial report states the defect balance to the respective column. You can see there. BSP Limited trends to working capital. The BSP Limited the source of cash form used to pay dividend or capital expenditure. All three organizations are being using a cash from sale of good, dividend received and amount received as interest to meet all the cost to capital expenditure. And BSP Limited trends to working capital. BSP Limited has realized a major loss from Samakero Dam project to the proportion of working capital in each of the financial year. Overall, the financial prospect to the working capital trend is being steady and grow in reach. Uh, the BSP Limited item affecting cash flow statement. BSP Limited, the asset has been purchase, depreciation has been adjusted, amortization, charge to loyalty, cost of investment, income realized, interest paid and realized, payment made, debit, equity investment, BSP in 2019. Whereas for the Scientist Limited, transaction received, cash realized from dividend, interest received, fluctuation impact to the exchange rate, payment settled against the suppliers, charge to borrowed funds, charge to investing operation, charge to rent the accounts. Whereas in Fantastic Limited, cash realized from the sales of good asset have been purchased, settlement of salary and overhead, financial settlement of against the vendor and creditors, cost of the issue of equity share, cost against the realization and intangibility of asset. Whereas the net borrowing trend, BSP Limited, the net borrowing has been realized, whereas in Sanders Limited, the net borrowing trend of Sanders Limited is modest, positive, modest, and in Fantastic Limited, the net borrowing trend of respective organization is modest, positive, and modest. You can see in its every year there is the changes like drift from modest, positive to modest in the different organization. So the BSP Limited company has a strong financial structure and pay dividend on the regular intervals. The company also has a strong asset structure, thus the stress on the asset profile is negligible to the creditor concern. So for the conclusion, the BSP Limited is more suitable to the lender and investor to the lending concern. So in my recommendation, the BSP Limited is very good rather than other, because BSP Limited has growth provoking and the proportion to the balance sheet are also structured. The company has a strong efficiency to meet the shareholder expectation and liabilities will not fail in repayment. So thank you. This is my report.